You may not realize it, but you interact with the law every single day. From the moment that you wake up to the moment that you go to sleep, you will encounter the law in numerous different ways. Imagine leaving your home in the morning. If you are driving to work, you immediately know that you must comply with the various driving laws in your state, such as wearing your seatbelt, following speed limits, and observing the rules of the road. From your car, you arrive at your job, where employment laws take over. These may include mandatory breaks, rules for overtime, and complying with various safety laws. Perhaps you go to lunch and decide to get some food from your favorite restaurant. Your purchase of food for money is a contract with that restaurant. Later in the day, perhaps you choose to go for a walk. Instead of following the sidewalk, you walk across someone else's yard. Have you committed a criminal trespass? Or has the property owner given you an implied license or easement to walk there? And when you get home, do you own it? Is there a mortgage? Or are you a tenant? In any of these cases, you are dealing with real property law. So if you are interacting with the law every day, would it not be helpful to know the law? I am a litigator, and I've been fighting hard for my clients for over 28 years as of the date of this recording. I've mentored numerous paralegal and law students over that time. Now, I want to bring my experience to you. This podcast will explore the law and how it applies to you. This may include issues that you encounter daily, upcoming issues, or interesting cases, including Supreme Court decisions. Just remember that the information in this podcast is not intended to be legal advice and should not be used as legal advice. It is solely meant to be educational and informative. Nor is this podcast intended to be a full and exhaustive explanation of any presented topic. It should not be used to replace the advice of legal counsel. Legal advice must be tailored to the specific circumstances of each case. While every effort is made to present current information, anyone hearing the information in this podcast should conduct their own research. In the alternative, they should seek their own legal counsel to verify the applicability and the current status of any information presented.